Getting to know your Skyline. The Skyline is an innovative and easy-to-use stair climber from the Stair Climbing company. This training video is to be used to support your practical training session and also as a refresher guide. Assembly. The Skyline comes in two parts, the engine and the tiller. To assemble your Skyline, attach the tiller just past a vertical angle with the teeth of the tiller lining up with the arrows. Gently recline the tiller until it clicks into place. The tiller lock switch must be in the up or off position to allow the tiller to connect. Controlling your Skyline. Recline the wheelchair back to a resting position. Explain to your passenger before you do this. Ensure the right-hand lever is in the up position before reclining. Place your magnet key into the slot. Press menu when instructed to do so by the control panel. Ensure the emergency stop button is in the up or out position. Push the right-hand lever down when instructed by the control panel. The panel will now await your command. Attaching a wheelchair. The Skyline is designed to attach self-powered wheelchairs. Before attaching, please check there are no anti-tip bars between the chair wheels. If there are, you must remove them before transit. First, put the chair's brakes on. Push gently down the Skyline's handles and slide it under the chair. Ensure the spokes touch the chair's wheels. Lift the hand tiller release and gently push the tiller forward. Push the open hooking bar over the frame of the wheelchair just below the handles. You can move the hooking bar up and down the tiller as needed. Tighten the clasps by hand until tight. Ask the chair user to put on the safety belt. Ascending stairs. Wheel the Skyline to the bottom of the stairs, ensuring that it is parallel with the bottom step. Press and hold the red button under the handle. The Skyline will then start to move backwards and engage with the first step. You should be standing behind the Skyline with both hands on the handle. As it moves up the stairs, you should stay 1 to 2 steps ahead of it. At the top of each step there will be a balance point roughly in line with the centre of the wheel. Gently bring the Skyline to a flat position by lowering. If it feels too heavy, you may have gone too far or not far enough. Practice how it should feel. Descending stairs. Set up the Skyline and passenger as you would for ascending. When the centre of the Skyline wheel is level with the top step, lean and engage with the stairs. Push and hold the red button under the handle. The Skyline will start to track forward and allow the chair to descend. Ensure you are 1 to 2 steps behind at all times. Detaching a wheelchair. Ask your passenger to remove the safety belt. Unlock the tiller. Gently push the tiller forward until the chair is resting on both sets of wheels. Loosen the clasps and bring the hooking bar away from the chair. Gently lower the tiller and then take the brakes off the chair. Storage and transport. You can store the Skyline in one piece or two, the choice is yours. When transporting, remember the weight of the Skyline is the engine. We do not recommend it is lifted, but rather wheeled. The engine can be operated independently using the red override button and toggle. Charging. The first and most important check to make is charging. It makes sense to charge your Skyline when in use, but your Skyline must be charged frequently when not in use also. Your Skyline should be charged for a 4-hour period every 2 weeks when not in use, and every other day when in use, depending on how frequently you use it. The charging point is to the rear of your Skyline and is protected by a sliding cover. The charger is a 3-pin type. Please ensure the arrow is on top of the charger when connecting so as to not bend any pins. Before charging, please remove the key. You can charge the engine section separate to the tiller if your Skyline is in storage. The charger will show a red light when charging and a green light when charged. For charge available in use, see the display panel. For more information on the Skyline and all of the Stair Climbing Company products and services, please see our website or email us at info@thestairclimbingcompany.com.